L'autre match là encore avec Nike. Nous avons une équipe là qui campe en légende pour le monde. La PLC chercher Nike. La chercher Nike. Nike poko disponible. N'a chercher Nike. C'est bien ça pour nous garder. Bâti moun yo garder équipe football là. Moi j'ai un joueur. Yo mettez là pour m'acheter, pour aller acheter. N'a salué Tio Fellow. Nous avons premier mi-temps match qui va commencer. N'a salué Isaac. N'a salué moitié dominicain, moitié haïtien. André Libenji. Et mes amis, il faut nous faire façon pour match a commencer. Équipe là, n'a fait forfait sur une équipe Nike parce que l'équipe là pas venir aller. Équipe là pas venir aller. Bon, l'équipe là à peine monté terrain là. OK. Nous allons regarder comment on a battu.
Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up. Home team has gone with this lineup.
Les gens qui sont les gens dit,
Laid back to the goalkeeper. Benzema. Good defending there. Here's Ødegaard. Now it's Vinicius. He dribbles the ball forward.
Alan.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly. This is Haaland. Is this the moment? That was the first shot today. They'll hope they can do better later on.
Nike mes amis.
Passing the ball really well. Oh, he did really well there. What a well-timed tackle. This is Haaland. He's got the goal in his sights. And that's how it's done. And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? Back to the keeper. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. That's a terrible tackle. The player can't continue, so a new one's coming on. Salah. He's got the ball at his feet. What will he try? Militao tackles.
Salah, Mbappé pour Elano,
And he's won it back for his team.
Alan Baguette en jeu boule là. Les amis.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. It's 1-0 at half-time, and the end result is far from certain. What will happen in the second half?
Très classique.
One team takes a narrow 1-0 lead into the second half. It's Perez. Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, we've seen some big tackles today. Saka at pace. Here's his chance. Great block by the defender. And it's opened up here. He's scored a brace. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. And the coach is changing things around. Oh, and dispossessed there.
Okay, Neymar.
What an opportunity! He's almost celebrating, so unlucky.
Neymar jette ballon moun yo.
They're winning, but they're still going for more goals.
Neymar.
He's played it long.
Neymar wap mal joué. Mbappé pour le sorti.
Oh, well intercepted. Jesus.
Gabriel Jesus qui a pris danger dans le match là.
Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Now, this could be costly. He loves to run with the ball. You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely pleased with his team's performance today. Oh, what a pass! It looks like the manager has some changes in mind. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Is this a goal? Off the woodwork. So close. Throw in here. And the manager's making a change here. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Odegaard! Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. The goalkeeper stood no chance. And the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder what the managers learned about their squads.